This trade almost didn't happen. I was seconds from skipping it, but it turned into my third live funded win with Apex, and yes, this was taken live on stream. In this video, I'll break down exactly why I took it, how I managed it, and what you can learn from it. If you want to catch these trades as they happen, I stream every day at 9:30 AM New York time. Going into this trade, I was watching for a liquidity grab at 19,283.25. Price had just set this liquidity above this high during the New York Open on Nasdaq, and the price during the news of manufacturing PMI and job openings touched this inversion fair value gap and the first presentation fair value gap. This was a strong indication that the price might move lower. However, I had to wait for another entry. I had to wait for another fair value gap or at least a breaker. Right here, price showed the clear rejection of this fair value gap and the high of this New York opening gap together with the 8:30 open. This was a strong indication for me, therefore I decided to enter a short. Initially the stop loss was placed safely above this candle, however as the price moved into my favor, so did the stop loss. Once we cleared this internal liquidity below this 5-minute low, I moved my stop loss to break even. At that point it was just a free trade. As price was closer to my ultimate target, I started taking partials. You always need to pay the trader. There are instances where the price is not gonna reach your ultimatum as fast as you want, therefore I don't wanna overstay any type of trades. This is why patience and precision matter at the same time, especially on a funded account where every mistake adds up, especially when you have a live trailing drawdown as I have on my Apex funded account. Here's what worked in this trade: waiting for liquidity to get swept. After the open, we have seen a high being taken, meanwhile the price was tapping inside the inversion fair value gap. That was a clear sign that the price is going to move lower, and it was a clear signal for us to enter a short. However, we had to wait for our entry. Clear reaction of a premium level towards my entry. I waited for that fair value gap in form of a CB to be touched together with the new week opening gap and the 8:30 open. Those are important levels to be touched if you want for your price to move lower. It's just a signature in price that happens every day. So stay tuned for more. The third one is quick stop to break even once structure confirmed. Once the price moved below that 5-minute swing low, I had to move my stop loss because maybe the price did not want to go to my ultimate target. So I had to pay myself, or I had at least to protect my trade in case the price wanted to move higher afterwards. As you can see right here, ultimately the price had moved into my favor and a bit lower. However, I was happy with my trade. I was happy with the fact that I profited $500 on the day, and this was taken also live on stream. That's the full breakdown. Would you have taken this trade? Let me know in the comments what would you have done differently. And if you want to catch these trades live, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I stream every day at 9:30 AM New York time. Thanks for watching and stay safe.